channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe my channel. If you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This link I will paste in description box. Let's start our first job. Our first job from data analyst. This data analyst MIS and location is Surat, Gujarat, and salary is not so here, and experience need 3 to 5 years of experience you have need. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Surat, Gujarat location again, and salary is 10k to 30k per month. This is full-time opportunity for fresher as well as experience all. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location, and salary is not mentioned here. And this is your growth at in about company and all. And how to apply this job? You simply click here, apply on company website, and you fill all the detail. Our next job is associate IT analyst. This is also from Ahmedabad, Gujarat location, and this is about company and all, and this is your roles and responsibility. And how to apply this job, you click here, apply on company website, and you fill the all the details. Our next job is business analyst. This is also from Ahmedabad, Gujarat location, and this is health insurance company actually. And this is about growth and all. And how to apply this job, you have click here, apply on company website, and you fill all the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Indore, Madhya Pradesh location, and also remote location too. And salary is 20k to 50k per month. And this is all about job description. You have a skill like advanced SQL and all. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst from Bengaluru, Karnataka location, and salary is 8 LPA to 12 LPA per year. This is for full-time opportunity and flexible, and working hour is Monday to Friday. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Before that, you have need here Power BI, SQL, Excel and Python skill, and also need 4 year of plus 4 year of experience you have need. And how to apply, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for from Bengaluru location, and salary is 8 LPA to 19 LPA per year. And this is also full-time opportunity and US shift, it means night shift, and working is Monday to Friday. And this is your job description and all. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Mohali, Punjab location, and salary is 50k to 30k per month. This is shift on overnight shift, night shift, rotational shift, and day shift all okay. And this is your full-time job description and all. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and fill the detail. Our next job is research analyst. This is for Pune, Maharashtra location, and salary is 2 LPA to 5 LPA per year. This is full-time opportunity for fresher and as well as experienced person. And this is your job description, and you have read here. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst from Chennai, Tamil Nadu location, and salary up to 20 LPA per year. Okay, and this is your and there are total 4 opening, and experience need 3 year to 15 year of experience. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is research analyst for Mohali, Punjab location, and salary is 2.4 LPA to 4.2 LPA. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Mohali, Punjab location also, and this is salary is 50k to 35k, and this is also full time opportunity. How to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone.